If you want to use YouTube to sell your products or services, first, stop making salesy videos. No one likes those. Here are 3 great video ideas that you can try instead. Number 1, a how-to video. Figure out a pain point that your audience is experiencing and teach them how to fix it. We cater to business owners, so we created a video about Instagram Reels ideas that can help grow a business organically. Number 2, a list of tips that your audience will find super helpful. For example, if you're selling t-shirts online, you can make a video about the top ways to style t-shirts with a pair of high-waisted jeans. And number 3, a list of the most common pitfalls and mistakes that your audience should avoid. This can actually be just as helpful as tips. For example, if you're a pet grooming business, tell your audience that they should avoid the pain of trying to give their dog a bath themselves at home and instead bring their dog into your pet spa for a much better experience all around. Try these out and hit subscribe for more tips on how to grow your business using video.